Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to be talking today about the easiest, simplest, and the way to get the most bang for your buck for your old cell phone, right? You're probably getting a new one. Maybe it's, holiday time's coming up, and this is dead simple, fast cash, what's not to love. So keep watching. By the way, I'm Jordan. This is John. We're thinking outside the box, and we're going to tell you what it is. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jordan, and this is my business partner and good friend, John.
John Maldia. Like Jordan said, I'm a friend, his partner. We've known each other for I don't even know how long. I think 5 years now.
More than
We
that.
started working together a while back, and I'm here in New Jersey, close to New York City. And
New York
Jordan
City.
is.
I am. I'm hungry, but I'm also located. I'm located in Hamburg right now, Hamburg, Germany. I move around, so that's where I'm at, and we're going to be talking today creative ways. So this is thinking outside the box, creative ways to make money, and today we're going to be specifically talking about how to make money from this old guy, right? So This is actually my current phone, but pretend this is me. I just got a new one now. I want to get rid of it. There's like a million ways. You go to a store, you're like, oh, should I do eBay? But comparing prices, and it gets confusing. It's a big hassle. So we found the best site. Like I just came across this. It was like, we have to share this with everyone because it's so simple, so easy, and it'll get you the best price. You want to jump into it?
Yeah, definitely. So I just want to talk about my experience with selling my phone. Like I used to sell my phone, pretty much every year, but I've been doing every 2 years, and it's really difficult. So, I have to look at different sites, like a site, or I have to like find someone that I have to sell to. Like that's really the most, like I hate selling it to a person. It's like sometimes they go back to like, hey, what's wrong with the phone? Like, it's an old phone, right? But one thing, like this is actually a perfect video for you right now because the iPhone 12 just came out. So you're probably, trying to sell the phone. So I'm actually trying to sell my phone right now. I don't know if I'm going to get the iPhone 12, but I might get like the iPhone 11 or, something older. I don't really care about the newer stuff, but I need to sell my phone. So I've used eBay and I've used Swappa. Like probably a lot of people know eBay, and it's pretty easy, but it's hard to kind of price your
eBay. What's that?
That's that, right? Like it's like the dinosaur.
What's eBay? Okay, no, I'm just messing around.
It's like the dinosaur of auctions, right? But I've had really good experience with eBay because you get pretty good amount of money. Like I've always had a good amount of money when I sold my phones there.
Yeah.
There's two main disadvantages though, is that there are a lot of bots. So I've actually maybe a dozen times like I sell my phone, somebody purchases it, and it turns out to be bots. So I have to go through eBay, cancel the thing.
So a robot
buys your phone. Yeah, like basically it's like it's not even a scammer. It's just like bots that are like bidding on your phone. So that's like one of the things I hate about it. And the second thing I hate about it is that there's so many fees. So once you get the listing fees, you sell your phone, they get a cut out of that, and then you use PayPal, and then you get another cut from that. So
and let's not forget shipping. Then you got to ship it.
Yeah, exactly. You got to ship it. You got to incorporate the shipping on that. Mm-hmm. So the last time I sold my phone, I actually found this app or a site called Swappa, SWAPPA.com. It's like swapping your phone, right? So what's great about it is that it's pretty straightforward. Pricing is pretty, pretty simple. You set your price, say $275, and then they tack in the cut that they get for that. So say $15, and then you could even incorporate the shipping on the price. So basically, when somebody goes into the site, they know right away what they're paying for, and you know right away what you're getting. You don't need to worry about, oh, this you get 10% to, you give 10% to eBay, give 10% to this, and 10% to that, this shipping, that, and then you end up with like $200 instead of 275. So with Swappa, you know right away you're getting $275. So that's my experience. What about you, Jordan? What experiences have you
That's
had
cool.
with selling your phone?
Well, first of all, before I get into that, is it worth sharing? I mean, I don't know. It sounds like you're recommending Swappa. Like, is it worth sharing your screen? Do you want to talk, like, show how that works, or is it you just wanted to make a quick mention of that?
I think I just want to make a quick mention of that. I think Swappa's great, but
Yeah.
there's always a but. Like, we're talking about sell.com, and I want our viewers or listeners to really focus on that, and I want them to really know the power of this site. So yeah, we'll put the link on the description
Okay.
of this video, and we'll they could check it out, and then they could contact us if they want us to if they need more information.
Sounds good. Yeah, no, I was actually just about to get into sell. So it's
Okay.
SELLCELL.com. Yeah, we'll have a link in the description below.
Yeah.
Maybe after I do that, because Swappa sounded cool and I've never heard of it before. So maybe after I explain sell or I show sell, then maybe you could say what a main benefit is over Swappa, because they both sound good. I mean,
Yeah, I mean, like, I think I've pretty much said the benefits of it, especially compared to eBay.
yeah,
It's very straightforward.
Okay.
I feel like their pricing is on par with most auction sites or used phone sites. So yeah, I mean, we can definitely talk about it more. But I really want to get into the
Okay.
sell part.
All right, let's do
I
it.
think
Let's
it's
do it.
really exciting. Like
There we go.
like you said, this a site that we just found. I actually never knew about it until Jordan told me about it, and I looked it up yesterday, and I think it's really, really cool. I think it's a game changer for me, definitely, and might be a
Yeah.
game changer for you.
Yes, it is definitely a phone game changer.
Yeah.
Phone sale. I don't even know what I'm saying. But okay, let's jump into it now. And I will be comparing it to eBay because that's kind of my go-to. In the past, I've always used eBay, but I have been getting really annoyed recently with their fees. So, okay, without further ado, I'm going to share my screen. Tell me, John, when you can see my screen.
Right, I'm
Can you see
starting.
it?
Yep, I see it. I see it.
Cool. So here we go, sellcell.com. Yeah, and it's like basically like so dead simple, like best price, very self-explanatory, and like what's not to love here. I kind of just saw it. I was like, I wish I knew about this a long, long time ago. They've actually been around for, believe it or not, for over a decade, which is pretty impressive in today's day and age with, technology is always changing and new sites are coming up. So this is definitely very trustworthy, reliable. Here we go. Since 2008, right? It's crazy. Yeah, like I said, I'll just do a really quick walkthrough because it's pretty simple. Most cash for your phone guaranteed. So what they do is they'll compare, let me get that. So they compare over 35 different companies. So it's kind of like an aggregator, and they'll look at all the different companies and give you the best price, and you'll see like the ranked price from top to bottom for whatever your phone model is. So let's say, iPhone X, right? It's a common one. A lot of you might have iPhone X. So let's click search, and right away you'll get here we go. So results, they looked a little different. I want to do this again. iPhone X. Oh, because of course I have to pick the specific iPhone X. So let's click on that, right? And then it'll say, it'll say like 64 gig, or, of course there's going to be a different price. So whichever capacity, right? So let's say 64 gigs and the condition. So I'm going to just stick with good. Let's say on average, most of you might have just, phone good. There might be a little tiny crack or something, but let's say it's in good condition. And then here we go. We get over $300 for, let's call it $300, right? So these three sites: Uptrade, Declutter, Smartphone. I know I haven't even heard of any of these, but SellCell does all the work for you. It does all the cross comparison.
Hey, Jordan.
Yeah.
Can you scroll up a little bit? I just want them to see that there's also a section there for your network, because that also, like I was looking at this yesterday also, and it actually changes the price, I believe.
Oh, where are you seeing that?
So you see, if you see above capacity, you'll see Verizon,
Oh,
AT&T.
oh yeah, yeah. But the thing is that actually, I'm glad you brought that up. The thing is, what I do when I'm selling my cell phone is usually when your contract runs out, you can just, call your, let's say I have with T-Mobile or something. I could just call T-Mobile and say, hey, okay, now my contract, it's been 2 years, it's over. Can you unlock it? And they'll unlock it for you. They should, right? I mean, in your
Yeah, yeah.
experience.
I just want them to see, like, if you click on one of those networks, that it could change the price.
Okay, let's do it. Yeah, no, it's a good,
See it.
okay,
So
yeah. So it
if you have
does.
unlocked, you get $300 for it. But if it's locked, you only get $270.
Okay, no, it makes sense. It's good that you noticed that. So let's say Verizon. So it's a little bit cheaper. So yeah, it looks like you're losing like 10, 20, $30, something like that if you don't unlock it. So good tip, definitely unlock it. So, okay, so now, like that's basically it. Now the hard work is done. You just click on, all right, let's say I want to do it with Uptrade or whatever. Let's see, we'll click on get paid, and that'll now take me to Uptrade site, and I'll, go back here. It'll show you the details. Within 14 days, I'll get paid. Free shipping, so that's awesome, right? I mean, like, again, a lot better than eBay. eBay doesn't pay for that. And then you get the price locked in for 14 days or even longer. This one locks the price for 28 days. So, or for 30 days. So really, I mean, this is kind of a no-brainer, and I'm going to just use this site from now on. And now, John, is everything like cool so far? I was actually going to go into an eBay comparison to see what an average price would be there, just to kind
Yeah,
of.
I think that's what's great about this website, is that, like you said, it's very, very, very simple. It's like I compare it to like something like Expedia. You go, you're looking for great deals, or actually, well, there's a site for travel that I use. It's not Kayak, Hopper. So I go to Hopper, and then it compares all of these flights. So that's what's great about this site, Cell. And for those of you just listening to this, because this is also a podcast, it's SELLCELL.com. But we'll add all the links on the description. But yeah, that's what's great about it. It aggregates everything. You have all of the all of the pricing, all of the benefits, when the price is valid, all that stuff. If it's free shipping, that's what's great about this site, really. And that's with eBay. You list your stuff.
Yeah.
And you have to wait until
Exactly.
like what, like
And
7 days, 3 days.
And with eBay, oh my God, such a pain in the butt. And you gotta then make the whole description yourself. You gotta find a photo, right? So I gotta Google like photo of iPhone 10, and then I gotta put, it's like it's all like it's very
It's almost
doable.
like
It's
a
hassle.
job, like selling your phone.
Right.
Like
Right.
like like I remember, like what you said. You're creating all these descriptions. You're trying to make the phone look really good with pictures and stuff like that. And yes, and then you have to wait for for it to sell. And like I said before, sometimes you get these bots selling it, so you have to resell it. So if you need money right away, right, and you're selling your phone, and then like some bot bid on it, now you have to wait another 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days to resell it, and you don't know if it's a bot that's going to buy it again.
And not only that, but what's also happened with eBay to me is, someone could just, let's say, deadbeat bidder. They buy it. They're like, oh, sorry, I changed my mind after they win. So then you have to like ask eBay for your fees back, and then relist it, and then wait again a few more days for someone. It's just like, let's just go to sell and sell it for a better price, most likely.
Yeah. I think that's the best thing about it. Like, you're getting the best value for your phone. Aside from, you seeing everything on one screen, all the benefits and all that stuff. Like for me, like if I'm going to buy a phone, like, a new iPhone is $700. I think that's the cheapest. The new iPhone 12 mini, I think $699. You know, I want to like make as much money on my iPhone 7 Plus, you know. So if I could get even $10-20 off, you know, like make more money off of it, then, you know, I'll go for it. So definitely, I'm like, you know, after this, I'm gonna go to sellcell.com and then.
I mean, that's a meal at Chipotle right there.
Yeah, you know, exactly, right?
All right, John. Now we can wrap things up here. I think people get the idea.
Yeah.
Like the awesome power of Cell. You think it's worth going into a eBay screen share real quick, or should we just?
I mean, we could just show them a little bit, maybe, you know,
Okay.
and then.
Yeah, just because people like they just want to compare it, because like my go-to, and I think a lot of people would just be like eBay because it's so, you know, it's been around forever. People know that. So let me just show you like the pricing. 1 second here. I'll share my screen again. And eBay. I just did a quick search before we started this video. And here we go. So this is an iPhone X 64 gig. So this is just the same exact phone, same capacity that we looked at on Cell. And I searched under sold items. So you can see here, like someone sold this and they, here with $29. I mean, imagine if they could have just done this at Cell. The condition also looks like it's good. Look how much money they're losing by selling eBay. This is $29 and they're $290. It's not even including all the fees that they're losing, right? From eBay is going to charge at least, I don't know, like 20-30 bucks, maybe more in shipping and all that. Here, this was $330. Okay, so maybe after fees would come out to the same, but Cell would have been a lot more work. Okay, I mean, here, this is like nothing there. So here we go, like that. Okay, close to the same, but Cell again, less work. So you get the idea. Okay, here they would have lost money compared to Cell. Here they definitely lost. So, oh, it's an iPhone 8, but okay. Yeah, you get the idea there, right?
All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I learned a lot. You know, like I said, I looked at it yesterday. You know, because Jordan told me, hey, we got to do a video on this. And I was like, yeah, sure. Why not? You know.
Yeah.
And I looked at it yesterday just a little bit, and you know, I was like really impressed. So I hope you guys, you know, like if you're selling your phone, you know, pre-order came out last Friday for the iPhone 12. So it's like perfect timing to sell your phone. Go to sellcell.com and, you know, check it out. And, you know, check out all our videos. We're pumping out new videos every week. So
that's right.
You know, go to our site, go to our, you know, our YouTube channels, like, comment, and, you know, if you have any ideas of what videos we should do, just let us know. We'll be happy to do that for you.
Exactly what John said. All right. Cool.
Bye, guys.
All right. See ya. See you in the next video.